In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten video in DaVinci Resolve. If you want a quick and easy way to trim down a video clip, this is one of the fastest methods you can use inside DaVinci Resolve. It's perfect when you just need to remove a little bit from the beginning or end of a clip without going through any complicated tools or menus. Start by going to your timeline because that's where you'll be making the adjustment. The timeline is the area where your video clips are arranged in sequence, and it gives you a clear visual view of your edit. Once you're there, find the video clip you want to shorten. Next, move your mouse over the edge of that clip. You can use either end depending on what you want to remove. If you want to cut some time off the beginning, hover over the left edge. If you want to trim the end of the clip, hover over the right edge. This part is important because DaVinci Resolve lets you directly adjust the length of the clip by interacting with its edges on the timeline. When your cursor is positioned over the edge of the clip, click and drag it left or right. As you drag, you'll be shortening the visible duration of that clip in your timeline. Dragging inward will make the clip shorter, and this is the fastest way to clean up extra footage or tighten the timing of your edit. Take your time while dragging so you can trim the clip to the exact length you want. A helpful tip is to keep an eye on the timeline as you do this so you can be more precise with where the clip starts or ends. If needed, you can always adjust it again by dragging the edge a little more until it looks right. This method is especially useful for quick edits because it keeps the process simple and direct. You're not deleting the whole clip or moving to another panel, you're just resizing the part of the clip that appears in your project. And that's all there is to it. Go to your timeline, hover over the edge of the video clip you want to shorten, then click and drag it left or right. It's a simple technique, but it can save you a lot of time while editing in DaVinci Resolve.